cleaning and maintaining kitchen tools and premises, vital for our cookery class. Regular maintenance is essential for safety and food quality. As we move forward, reflect on how these points relate to your kitchen routines. Let's work together to uphold these standards. Learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to 1. Recognize kitchen tools and equipment to be cleaned and sanitized. 2. Identify the chemicals to be utilized in cleaning and sanitizing kitchen tools and equipment. 3. Prepare cleaning agents in accordance with the manufacturer's instruction, procedure. 4. Clean and sanitize kitchen tools and equipment, and 5. Store cleaned kitchen tools and equipment. Cleaning involves removing food and soil from surfaces like dishes and cutting boards using appropriate cleaning agents. It's important to select the right agent, as not all are suitable for food contact surfaces, which are those that food typically touches. This discussion highlights the essential features of kitchen cleaning compounds for a clean and safe cooking environment. Types of cleaning agents: soaps, powders, cleaners, acids, solvents, and abrasives serve specific purposes. Role of detergents: essential for breaking down dirt and ensuring hygiene in kitchen routines. Surface considerations: selecting the appropriate cleaning agent is crucial for effective and safe cleaning, particularly on food contact surfaces. Importance of maintenance: a well-maintained kitchen enhances safety and supports overall health. Degreasers are essential cleaning compounds for maintaining cleanliness in food preparation areas, effectively removing tough grease from surfaces like ovens and grills. Their alkaline-based formulation dissolves grease, ensuring surfaces remain safe for food. However, they should be used as directed to avoid damaging the surfaces. Regular cleaning with appropriate compounds not only maintains hygiene but also prolongs the life of kitchen equipment. This content focuses on acid cleaners, which are effective in removing stubborn residues that regular detergents cannot handle, such as mineral deposits and rust. They are important for maintaining kitchen equipment's longevity and hygiene. However, it's crucial to use acid cleaners periodically and appropriately to prevent damage to surfaces. Let's explore abrasives, powerful tools in cleaning that effectively remove stubborn soil that other cleaners struggle with. However, they must be used carefully to avoid damaging surfaces. Always choose the appropriate abrasive and follow usage guidelines. Mindful use preserves both cleanliness and the longevity of surfaces. Remember, power with caution yields the best results. Today, we'll explore essential chemicals for cleaning and sanitizing kitchen equipment. Ammonia, effective for cutting grease and grime, a cleaning staple. Dishwashing liquid, versatile for various surfaces, not just dishes. Chlorine, a powerful sanitizer used in commercial kitchens, handle with care. Carbonic acid, specialized for specific cleaning tasks. Timson and disinfectants, vital for a clean environment, with Timson noted for broad-spectrum efficacy. Using these chemicals correctly ensures a clean and safe kitchen. Understanding their properties promotes effective and safe cleaning practices.